Alright, 2016 Toyota Prius today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, please. 14mm sucking. Alright, new crush washer on. Alright, dude. Alright, buddy, have a good one. Ended up with that. Had to tap it. Definitely a lot of effort. Just doing a quick video for everybody. I think everybody's had issues with the Toyota oil filter. So what I did, as far as you want to make sure you got the right tool, I used the Motiv for this, but also got the Blue Point. And then essentially I put it on the oil filter. I tried tapping it with the rubber mallet first. That didn't really work. Changed over to the metal hammer. And then I took a brass punch and tapped around the siding of it. And then I was able to put the breaker bar on it and get it off. And had to use my leverage bar. But essentially, it just seemed like the vibrations probably would eventually got it off, whoever put it on there before.